Introduction to Monitoring System. Data Center Application Scenario. In this section, we introduce the data center application scenario. For the data center, the monitoring system helps users quickly locate faults by monitoring infrastructure, supports centralized configuration and status monitoring of basic devices, and implements remote refined management. The monitoring system is very important for the data center and makes it convenient for users to manage. The monitoring system can also be deployed in modular data centers of any size and container data centers. Let's look at medium and large modular data centers. A series of complete data center solutions apply to medium and large modular data centers. The solutions allow quick data center deployment for operators and large corporate customers. Here is a picture of a medium or large modular data center. In it, we can see multiple devices, cameras, sensors, and air conditioners. The devices access the monitoring system through different protocols. All the information from the devices is sent to the server, and the users can simply log into the client to view the data. This allows users to monitor the system and check the alarms and statuses, realizing convenient central management. Monitoring systems also apply to small modular data centers. Small modular data centers are mainly used in cloud hosts in parks, branches of large enterprises, small and medium-sized enterprises, e-government networks, education, healthcare, and data equipment rooms of bank branches. The monitoring network is similar to that of the large modular data center. We can see the monitoring system applied in container data centers. Usually, container data centers are deployed outside. There are also many devices in the data center. Here, we can see a UPS, battery, air conditioner, fire suppression cabinet, and so on. In the monitoring system, we also can see the status of these devices. If an alarm is generated, users can see it on the monitoring system. That's all for this section. Thanks for watching.